Hello. Today we are going to show you how to edit your hours within your Event Hawk system to be able to control when automated text messages are sent out to your customers. So you want to log in to your Event Hawk dashboard. You hit automations, and then on the top here, you would hit campaigns, and here is where you can edit your hours as far as your business hours go, where if your customers were to be on your site after hours um, and they go through your pop-up, they would not be sent out the automated text until after your opening hours in the morning. Then it will initiate a conversation with them for you to be able to take over during your business hours. So what you would want to do is click on the actual words, not the numbers, and you would click on those. And then at the top here, there's campaign configurations. So you would want to click on that, and it brings up this drop down. On here, you can choose what days you want these messages to go out. Say you don't want to, do messages on the weekends, you're super busy. So you don't want to have to, have that going during the weekend, but obviously that's when most people are busy. So you want to get that going, those conversations started any day of the week. So of course we set them to where they go out every day. And then you've got your start and your end time down here. Her hours here are 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. If you don't open till 9, you can change that. You just always want to make sure that after you edit these, that you scroll all the way down here to the bottom and hit save, because if you don't hit save, it will not save them within your configurations. Once that's done, you can back out of that and you're all set. That will, I think with your email and text leads, that's really the only ones you have to worry about going out, being set on business hours. Those are the ones that initiate the conversations with your customers. And if you have any questions after watching this video, please don't hesitate to message in and let us know, and we will be happy to help you with any other questions that you have.